Hey everybody, it's Nat coming to you with another video. In this video, I will be talking about this hair that I bought from UNICE hair. So if you're interested on how I feel about this hair and my overall thoughts about how the hair is performing, please stay tuned. I ordered this hair from UNICE hair. I actually will link the video. I will link the video right up here. On how I constructed the hair. This is the follow-up video after that. I've had this hair about 6 weeks. This is the Remi Brazilian natural wave hair. It's 3 bundles of 18, 20, and 22 inches, and it's a 16-inch closure. And as you can see here, you know, this is the parting of the closure. It looks very natural. I didn't have to do much to it at all to get it to lay the way I wanted it to lay. I didn't want my hair just to be like super flat because I don't really go for that look with certain units that I have. But it came out perfect. I mean, I love this hair. It acts the way I want it to act. I do take this unit off at night, so it helps, you know, with the longevity of it. The curls are so nice. The hair is not, it doesn't tangle at all. It's just so nice and full and fluffy. I haven't had any problems with the hair. I haven't put any heat in it or anything like that because I wanted to I don't know, stay curly. I don't like to straighten out my curly units and then see if the hair comes back. I'm not really into that as of now. Not to say that I ever will be into that, but yeah, this hair came out really good. It sheds very, very little. Like as I'm putting my fingers through the hair, it's not shedding at all. Let me see. Oh, wait a minute. I got one hair. One hair. It's not shedding at all. Did I color this unit? Yes, I put some natural black dye in this unit. Took very well. The hair, the unit, stays in place. You can see me like pushing it forward, but look at that, like the closure. I mean, it's just like, it's like, oh my god, it's like a skin-like color. I did not pluck it much. I put, well, not moisturizer, but I spray my water bottle. I have a water bottle with conditioner and water in it, and I spray it maybe twice a week. I have some serum from Organics, their coconut serum. I put that in it sometime. It's just nice and shiny, and it doesn't give me problems at all. So far so good. We're 6 weeks in. Like I said, I take this unit off at night. I've washed it 3 times, and it just bounces right back. The ends are really good. I don't know if you can. I can get. Can you see that? The ends weren't like all split up and nasty and stuff. This unit is just, it's great. The hair is nice. The hair is beyond nice. It's beautiful. So just, you could just see how nice it is and full. And what else can I say? It's doing really, really well. I've always heard that UNICE had really good hair. I got hair from them years ago, but I remember I liked that hair as well. But this is the first time I got any of their curly hair, and I'm very, very satisfied with this hair. I spray it down at night when I take it off, and I sit it on my little mannequin head, and then when I wake up in the morning, she's ready. I don't like saturate it to where it's dripping wet, but I do spray it to where it's damp. And then I'll run the comb through it to get the curls. to get the curls kind of popping again, and then go to bed. And when I wake up, she's ready to go. The customer service at UNICE was on point. I had emailed them with a couple of things as far as concerns that I had, and they answered all my questions, and they got back with me within 24 hours. I was very satisfied with the answer that they gave me. After I constructed the unit, I just trimmed it just a little bit to kind of frame my face, little layers in it to try to get it to complement the shape of my face and my head. I have a long face and a big head, so certain styles look right on people with certain face shapes and all of those good things. So I did what I thought was best for me, and I just put a few little layers in it, and I'm also satisfied with that. So thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Please smash the notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. And until next time, people, peace and blessing. Bye.